of 2023, and the elections are to be given on the 14th, as I mentioned. The same we shall use on the part of bullying, undermining and posting insulting and demeaning messages about the deputy governor in the WhatsApp group styled Third Government 0112, whose membership includes several officials who are also subordinate to the deputy governor. We shall use the same, and we await the elections on the 14th of November. The same case, we'll use it on the arbitrary reduction, suspension, withdrawal of budgetary facilitation. That's a case that also we are using as part of our evidence, sub judice. Another one is threatening to inflict bodily harm against the deputy governor orally in a WhatsApp group, forceful breaking entry and ransacking the deputy governor's office, all those together with arbitrary relocation of the deputy governor's office. All those, we shall use the same case to demonstrate that this is a matter that is ongoing in our courts of law. Because of time, Speaker, sir, allow me to go to an internal memo by the deputy governor to the chief officer, finance, on 23rd August 2023, requesting facilitation to attend Meru leaders meeting in Nakuru. There is a case which we wish to produce. Meru Constitution Petition E018 of 2023, and the parties are Alfred Mutuma versus Her Excellency the Governor and 3 others. Speaker, sir, this is the authority which we shall table at the end of our presentation. The matter is slated for the elections on the 21st November 2023 at the High Court before Judge Chilele. The same we are using on the internal memo by the Deputy Governor to the County Secretary relating to the same, and correspondences relating to the relocation of the Deputy Governor's office and Deputy Governor requesting for office facilitation. We are still using the same E018. Then on the matter of sending one Dr. Ntoiti, Paul Mwaki, Kenneth Kimathi Mbae, Joseph Kidore Mberia on indefinite compulsory leave in usurping powers of appointing authorities, we are using the labor case that is petition number 1 of 2022, whose parties are Joseph Kidore Mberia and 3 others versus County Secretary, Government of Meru and 2 others. This matter is slated for mention on the 7th November 2023. Again, those are a few days from today. There is a matter on appointing persons to odd offices in acting capacities for more than 6 months. We are using a case that I've already tabled to prove sub judice, that is Meru Constitution Petition number E014 of 2023, that is of Dhuranera Saresio and another versus County Secretary, Meru County Government and 12 others. And as I said, the same is coming for mention few days from today, that is 30th October.